Hello everyone. Today we are starting seeds. You should start your seeds for annuals to put out after Memorial Day, 6 to 8 weeks. And that's about right now. I have my equipment. I have my seed trays with the cells. I have potting mix, which I strain in order to get out this kind of stuff. Here. Kind of like debris. And I use just a dollar store colander for that. Today we're going to do Zinnia Orange King. Zinnias, I'm going to put 2 to 3 in each cell. Some package of seeds have more than others, so allow enough room because you're going to be thinning them. Pick out the weak ones once you start to transplant. Go. More. There we go. You'll be transplanting when they're ready into this forage pot. So that's what I do. And I get these from Wegmans, the cat grass, and I just save the pots once the grass is gone. So we're outside here. We're going to water them in using a milk jug. The holes that perforate the cap. Did that with you can do it with a nail, or I did it with a needle, a big needle. So there we go, there's that. And then you want to make sure that you mark what your seeds that you planted, because you're going to be covering them up and you won't know. So here is strained mix. I'm going to cover them up with. Sure that they're well covered. Zinnias don't need light to germinate. Some do. Be sure you read the back of the package. So you know. The ones that need light, you don't cover. Okay. Done. Okay. And another dose. Put your cover on. These will want bottom heat. So if you have a radiator, you can put them on, that's great. If you have a register with the heat still on, that's great. I have seed starting mats, which are like little electric blankets for the bottom of the trays. And I have lights that go on top. So it needs eventually light. Once they germinate, they'll need light, and they'll need heat and moisture in order to germinate. So there we go.